Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Tinder account. To get started, you want to log into your Tinder account. You're going to open the app and you want to allow location. To delete your Tinder account, you want to select profile and you want to go to settings. You want to scroll down and just keep scrolling down until you see logger, and below it you'll see delete account. Alright, you want to go ahead and click on delete account. Perhaps you have an account and there are certain people that you have on the account and you don't want them anymore. All right, this is the step to follow. All right, so I'm gonna hit delete. So you want to check for these options and see if you prefer these options. But if deleting the account in order to reset is your main goal, you want to go ahead and hit delete my account. So Tinder is going to ask you to give a couple of options here in order for them to help you delete your account. Okay, so they're asking, are you sure you want to delete your account? Please let us know the reason you are leaving. You can just choose I met someone. Perhaps you now have a girl you're dating and you're so much in love with the girl that you do not want this app anymore. So you're going to select I met someone. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and click on delete my account right here. So you can see account deleted. Your Tinder account and all of its information was successfully deleted. Got it? All right. You want to go back to your home screen. All right, and then you want to uninstall the app completely. All right, uninstall. You want to click OK. Of course, you're done. There's one more step. You want to go to your Google Play Store and search for Tinder, and you want to install it again. You want to open it and you want to go ahead and log in with your Facebook. If after logging in with your Facebook and you find out your new Tinder account still has your old settings because you're using your old Facebook to sign in, what you need to do is create a new Facebook account and use that to sign in, and that will solve the problem. But this should solve the problem. Okay, I'm gonna go for none of the above. You want to click on continue and you want to wait for the code. You want to click on continue again. You want to click on agree. You want to select your gender. You want to click on continue. You want to click on continue. Just select up to 5 and click on continue. Allow location. So if you want to avoid someone you know on Tinder before, you can go ahead and click on continue to reset that. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to click on cancel right here. So I'm back into my Tinder account. I'm gonna skip the tutorial part. So this is how to reset your Tinder account. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.